This is a basic introduction to SmartSpan.
Hello, I'm Lanny Hefner and I'd like to welcome you to another Iteris video tutorial. So let's get started. Take a good look at this video image. The yellow zones that are placed on the stop bar and the lane lines are called registration zones. These registration zones, or R zones, are the key to the SmartSpan delivering accurate detection. Notice how the R zones adjust automatically to stay on the reference points, while the blue detection zones are moving with the camera motion. In reality, the algorithm is keeping the detection zones in sync with the R zones. If the camera is moving too much to draw a zone, use VRAS software to acquire several snapshots. Let's take a little trip to another intersection with a lot more camera movement. Okay, now that we've arrived safely, let's take a look at this image. The camera is moving quite a bit, so you should use VRAS software to grab several snapshots and use the best snapshot that represents a stable image. I paused the video to emulate a snapshot from VRAS. I'm going to bring up the menu, take the mouse over to Add. I'm going to change the type from Presence to Registration. Select OK. Always place the registration zone on the left side of the screen first. Not where the cars would block it on the right turn lane, but right here on the lane line and the stop bar. The registration zones need a horizontal line and the vertical line, so these are the best places to place them. Now we're going to place our regular detection. Go to Add, Direction Down, Type will be Presence. Make sure you choose the correct channel out to call the coordinating phase in the controller. Always start in the upper left. By left-clicking the mouse, you will anchor the points. Once your first zone is done, if you middle-click on the mouse, it will automatically place the next ones. Go back to Add, Direction Down, Type is Presence, and again, choose the correct detector output. You'll notice I always start in the upper left-hand corner when placing a zone. And we'll put two more for the right turn lane. Now that I have my detection completed, go to Add, choose an LC zone. Type, choose LC. We're going to place this on a contrasting item. We're going to put it here on the grass and the curb, but if you get snow, you're going to want to put it on a vertical surface. Now we're going to quit and save. You'll see the asterisk. That means that the detectors are all in learn mode. To verify the operation of the registration zones, bring up your menu, go to DIA, turn registration on, and quit and save. Now you notice the registration zones are adjusting to the movement of the camera. We're going to now jump ahead in time and observe it out of learn mode. Holy moly, man, what a trip. Okay, let's take a look at the registration zones. You can see how they're adjusting automatically, staying on the key points there, the horizontal and the vertical lines. As the vehicle comes forward, we're going to watch it places a call, it's holding the call, and we're not having any false calls. This is good. Remember, the R zones are the key to a stable detection along with well-drawn detection zones.